Bengaluru has welcomed a major boost to its healthcare infrastructure as Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, widely known as KIMS Hospitals, announced its expansion into Karnataka with 2 new super speciality hospitals. The advanced facilities have been launched in Mahadevapura and Electronic City and were inaugurated by Indian film star N.T. Rama Rao Jr. The Mahadevapura hospital will have more than 450 beds, while the Electronic City unit will offer around 350 beds, significantly improving access to high-quality medical care in Bengaluru's fast-growing IT corridor. Both hospitals together feature 30 modern operation theatres and over 170 outpatient consultation rooms, enabling them to provide a wide range of specialized medical services using advanced technology and expert healthcare teams. Chairman and Managing Director B. Bhaskar Rao said the expansion into Bengaluru marks a key milestone for the group as it aims to combine world-class infrastructure with patient-focused care. The hospitals will house more than 25 super speciality departments, including cardiology, neurology, oncology, pediatrics, orthopedics and critical care. CEO B. Abhinay said the move is part of the group's strategy to expand its healthcare network across major states in India. Meanwhile, actor N.T. Rama Rao Jr. said Bengaluru holds a special place in his heart, recalling that his grandfather N.T. Rama Rao had laid the foundation stone for a block at Pez University decades ago. KIMS Hospitals also plans to launch 3 more hospital units in Bengaluru in the coming years, further strengthening healthcare access in the region.
Like this also reminds me of how much the healthcare sector in our country is rapidly growing. There is so much potential in India, and it is being led by the doctors of this country. I honestly believe our doctors are among the best in the world. When you have government supporting infrastructure like KIMS, and when we have this kind of infrastructure supporting the skill and dedication of doctors, I feel proud that India is shining. We are setting a real example for the world in healthcare. For example, I have come to know that in the past 4 months, KIMS has performed 25 organ transplants. It is not a joke. There are a lot of doctors sitting here. I'm sure you back my statement here that 25 organ transplants in 4 months, it's definitely a big record for a city in Bangalore, a city like Bangalore. To the entire teams of KIMS Bengaluru, I wish you all the very best. May this place bring healing and hope to many families under the leadership of Dr. Nitish Shetty and Mr. Srinath Garu. Congratulations to Bhaskar Rao Garu, Abhinay Advik and the entire KIMS family. I would also like to remind, I'm standing here at PES. You saw the slide. I don't know if it's coincidence or divine blessings of the great man himself. March 20th, 1983, my grandfather, late Sri Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao Garu, was here to inaugurate a block. And today I'm here in this very place inaugurating KIMS. It's just divine blessings of the great man himself, and it really gives me a lot of pleasure. PS began with the vision of late Doraswamy Garu and now is led by Jawahar Garu. The foundation stone, as I mentioned, was laid by my grandfather. This collaboration between PES and KIMS is a wonderful combination coming together of healthcare and education, 2 pillars that shape a stronger and healthier society. Thank you for this opportunity.